Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello kiddos. Open your math file and take out page number 139. It's an activity time. Here you can see the incomplete picture with lots of numbers. What you have to do? You have to join the numbers to get a picture. So, are you ready and excited? Then sit properly with your back straight and take out your sharpened pencil. Shall we start? Now put your pencil on number 1. You have to move on. Tell me what comes after 1. Good. You have to move in order to join the numbers. After 2, it's 3, then 4, yes, 5, 6, after 6, it's 7, then 8, then 9, after that it's 10. To join the numbers, you have to move in order. So, tell me what comes after 10? Correct. Now, join number 10 with number 11, then 12, then 13. Speak loudly fast. Then 14, then 15, after that 16, 17, after 17 it's 18, then 19, after 19 it's 20. Have you joined? Now move on. After 20 it's good. 21, 22, after 22 it's 23, 24, 25, after 25 it's 26, 27, 28, move on, 29, then 30. Now tell me what comes after 30? Great. After 30 is 31. Move further. 32, then 33, 34, 35. After 35 it is fantastic. 36, then 37, 38, 39. After 39 it's 40. Very good. Now tell me the next number. Great. 41. Speak loudly. After 41 it's 42. Can you guess the picture? Yes, it's a picture of an ape. Now proceed to page number 140. Today we will learn to write counting from 81 to 90. 81 to 90. So sit properly with your back straight. Don't look here and there until you complete your work. And take out your sharpened pencil and eraser. Shall we start? Now write with me. Start with 81. 81, 81. First we will trace them, then we will write without dots. Write the next number, that is 82. 82, 82. After 82, it's 83. 83, 83. If you made wrong, use razor. You have to write neat and clean. Now write the next number, that is 84. 84, 84. 84, 84. The next number is 85. 85, 85. After 85, it's 86. 86. What comes after 86? Correct, 87. Trace number 87. 87. After 87, it's 88. 88, 88. 88, 88. The next number is 89. 89, 89. After 89, it's 90. Trace number 90. I have completed the columns. Complete yours. Then we will write without dots. Have you all done? Very good. Now start writing without dots. You will start from 81. 81, 81. After 81, it's 82. 82, 82. What comes after 82? Correct, 83. 83, 83. After 83, it's very good, 84. 84, 84. What we will write after 84? Speak loudly. Great, 85. Write 85, 85. You have to write neat and clean. If you made wrong, use eraser. And speak out the next number. Very good, 86. 86, 86. After 86, it's 87. 87, 87. What we will write after 87? Well said, 88. 88, 88. What comes after 88? Fantastic. 89. 89. 89. After 89, excellent, number 90. 90. 90. I have completed my part. It's time to complete yours. I'm waiting. Have you all completed? Very good. Now listen carefully. This part is your homework. You have to do it later on. When you complete it, click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.